and it scared me to a point of I just didn't know where to run to, because I knew nimesha witness hivi, they will not leave me alone.
There's no going back.
There was no going back because they already saw my face. I saw it literally happening live.
Are you comfortable to tell
No,
us what happened?
no, I will not. I will not. It
Let
was
me
just
go.
no. It was something dark. And the next day, after 2 days, it was on the news, and they reported it in a wrong way, in a false way. Yani literally walidanganya kila kitu tu yani. But I was there and I witnessed it. So me seeing that, and they have reported that on the news, and it's a wrong thing, I got very scared.
Yeah, because it's
Nikajua
prominent
now,
people and you are...
nikajua tu nitakujia kwa sababu niliona, and now they have reported it in a wrong way. And but sasa mimi nikitoka hapo niliwaambia you will never hear from me. Hamtaisikia. Nilipromise nikamwambia hata in fact sijaona hiyo ni kitu mimi mwenyewe hata nitajiconvince sijaona, sikukuwa hapa.
So can I ask you, were your friends safe?
My friends, yeah.
The ones that you came with?
Yeah, but I did not tell them.
Okay.
Waliniona tunatoka tu hapo natetemeka, naambia twendeni. Wakuuliza na hatujalipa, bado nikamwambia wameniambia watanitumia pesa. Yeah, so
mmefika home utawaambia aje?
Yeah.
Like what did you tell them?
Fortunately mimi ndo nilikuwa nimewaita, so nilikuwa nishapewa pesa. Nilikuwa nishapewa pesa half.
Okay.
Ndio walikuwa wanasema tukishamaliza kazi tutalipa pesa yote. So me I just niliwalipa tu hiyo pesa. Hata mimi sikuchukua anything, like literally I didn't want anything to associate with that place again, kulingana na hiyo kitu nilikuwa nimeona.
So whatever dark thing you saw or whatever happened, like do you feel like you were at the wrong place at the wrong time? Yeah. Or nikibati tu mbaya wewe uliona
kitu huko unafaa kuona? I wasn't supposed to see that. Nilikuwa kind of, it's a mansion and we are looking for a washroom, unatembea, and then I just managed to find myself in a wrong place. Yeah, and I witnessed something that I shouldn't have witnessed, and I rushed kutoka hapo. That's honestly sijaisahau. So
did they reach out after that ama like just kila mtu alinyamaza?
After nilipata hiyo story imeripotiwa kwa news, nilienda police station. That was what I did wrong.
Oh my God.
Yeah, nilienda police station because I was scared. Nikajua nao kama wameripoti hivi, si mimi naweza fanyiwa tu anything, and then they will just report in a wrong way and hakuna mtu atanijua na nitasahaulika. Nilifeel scared, nikaenda police station. Nikaenda kureport, nikamwambia mimi I witnessed 3 days ago, I witnessed this and this and this. And it's the one that it was on the news yesterday, and I can tell you I witnessed that thing and it's not the way they reported it. And then they asked me.
Scared?
I was.